Couple of aggressive growth stocks now on the aggressive growth radar. Brian Bolan, our aggressive growth stock strategist, is going to tell us more about them. How many times can I say aggressive growth?
Several.
Yeah, I guess. Car parts and solar, that's what you're talking about.
Right, car parts, Motorcar Parts of America. Now, This is a company that makes aftermarket car parts, and it is a Zacks rank #1, and we see that because the earnings estimates are moving higher. But I think the big thing here with this stock is that there's been a few beats here, and it's the idea of the polar vortex. We had a big cycle of freeze, thaw, and that was not just here in the Midwest where we are. They also had the polar vortex on the East Coast, and we know the investing public just cares about the East Coast anyway.
So that affects these aftermarket parts how?
Well, I think that the cars that are out on the streets, especially ones that are parked outside and not in a garage, not like your nice garage. Do you have heat in the garage or?
No.
No.
It's carpeted though.
It's carpeted. But for the tires.
Sure.
But so a lot of people have their cars out on the street, so that freeze, thaw, freeze cycle is the type of thing that's going to take those older car parts and really break them, freeze up, and they're going to be destroyed.
Okay.
So now with the weather changing here, coming into a little bit warmer weather, people are going to start fixing their cars again. Because they didn't need them when the polar vortex was going.
Yeah, now you've got the rain, sun, rain cycle.
Right, but for the most part, I don't think that's going to hurt too many alternators or things like that people will want to be adding into their car.
Right, okay, good. Canadian Solar company based in Canada. Amazing how I picked up on that.
Terry, unbelievable. I don't know. Maybe it's a sixth sense you have.
Not much gets by me.
Yeah, I don't know if we need the Zacks rank anymore. We've got you.
No, you still need it.
We still need it.
Yeah,
okay.
as a backup.
Right. Right. As a backup. So it's another Zacks #1 rank, and there's been big beats here for this company, and I think that's kind of what we want to look at here. And obviously, because it's a solar company, it's in that aggressive space. It's solar panels, that sort of thing. There's going to be times where that's going to be, very hot and then very cold. But I think the overwhelming idea is if you have a long-term perspective on a company like this, you're going to be rewarded because at the end of the day, governments are going to say that they want to subsidize this sort of thing a little bit more, every few years. So I think that there's a good potential for the stock going down the road.
And so the hot, cold, hot cycle is in play.
Right. The
okay.
burn, don't get burned, burned up type cycle.
There you go. I told you not much gets by me.
Nope.
Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right. Check out other stock picks and stock picking strategies at Zacks.com's website. If you're not there already, get on over. Link to them right off the homepage. With Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.